Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So let's see what the goals is doing for the upcoming weeks. So this is a daily chart, yeah. So based on the daily chart, as we can see, last week we have quite a strong bullish week. Right, weekly candle closed as bullish. So right now the price is somewhere around the previous bearish engulfing. Alright, this is a bearish engulfing. So we can get some short-term sell setup here if possible. So in H4 we can see right here we got a supply zone, and here is another supply zone. Alright, this is another H4 double maru supply zone. Alright, so this zone is only 20 pips. So when you zoom in into the M5, then you can get another base drop fresh zone. Alright, for this area. So this is where I get, and right now maybe we can go into another smaller time frame and see what the price is doing. Alright, so when you go into maybe M5 or N15, then you will get a double top here. Right, maybe later we can zoom in again, but right now in M30, as we can see, it create another new supply zone. Alright, this is another new supply zone and also the bearish engulfing. But we don't know whether right now here will be another drop again or not. If yes, then here have another supply zone. This will be another new supply zone if the price drop even further. Okay, so this is a M30 supply zone. So let us mark it down. So we know this is M30. Go into another smaller time frame, M5. Right, M5, first rejection, second rejection, third rejection. So right here we have quite a strong rejection, and when you look at the M5, what you can see here, can you see another base drop supply zone? This will be another base drop supply zone, right? Even sharp, only 10 pips. Alright, for this base drop in M5 supply zone. However, the price has another new supply zone right here again. Right, this will be another really base drop supply zone. But this could be the inducement, or will be so-called the liquidity. So be careful. So we hope that the price will get even higher right here. This is where we want to short. Right, but of course this is quite a so-called a medium risk. Why? Because the overall trend, you look at this time frame, is still in bullish, right? Still in bullish, right? Still in bullish. So maybe we look at the M15, you can see more clear, right? So the price have keep doing the break of structure. All right, this is a break of structure, another break of structure, then right here have another break of structure again. So what the NFP news is spike down, take the extreme demand zone. Alright, this is the extreme demand zone, and do another break of structure again. So when the price hit into this supply zone, so the price starting to lack of the momentum, to pushing up again to create another new high. So what we want to do, or what we want to monitor right here, as we can see here we have a support. Can you see? Here we have a support. This will be the last swing high. Alright, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This will be another higher high, higher low. Can you see? This will be the last higher low. So when the price break this support, so we can assume, all right, we can assume the price will go further down. All right, this is one of the possibility. Why? Because this is reject from the H4 double maru, and when we go into the higher time frame daily, right, this is a daily engulfing. Daily engulfing, H4 double maru. Right now we have a M15 double top, All right, so this is one of a rejection signal. So the last swing, all right, so called the last support, if break, then this could be another trend. All right, this could be another trend. All right, but we don't know, so we have to keep monitor, see where the price will go and what the price will do. All right, so we have to look at the price action. Okay, so this is what we have to monitor for next week. All right, of course this will be the most important. All right, this will be the most important support. If this support break, then we can say that the trend is seller in control. But in the meanwhile, right now is still buyer in control. So if this area is being break, then this is where the trend is going to reverse. All right, so we have to monitor this support, very important. So when you look at one of the chart pattern here, this is so-called the trend line. All right, this is a trend line. So for this trend line, this will be our another confluence. All right, this could be our another confluence. If the price break the trend line, then we can seek for another trend reversal. If no, then we continue stay in bullish. All right, so maybe it will go even higher, the price. So let's see what happens for next week. So this is for the gold analysis. Now we can go into US30. All right, so this will be my second favorite pair, US30. So we go to the weekly first. So the weekly, very obvious right now, is bearish, right? This is the weekly 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, already 6 weeks, quite a strong bearish. All the candle close in red. But during last week, the price have doing a so-called a sideway. All right, this is a sideway because this is where we have seen another inside bar. Can you see the mother's candles here? This is the inside bar. So all the small candles is moving inside these mother's candles. So actually, I'm also waiting for the breakout. I'm also waiting for the breakout. And by the way, we have a very important, we so call the SSR, all right, significant support and resistance. Can you see right here? This is the resistance. Have a clean breakout, come back as a new support, new higher high. Then when falls into this line again, it straight away have another clean breakout, then pull back again. Can you see to this SSR as a new resistance, right? This is another new resistance. Resistance, clean breakout, support, clean breakout, new resistance. So this is very quite interesting. So we know this is the area. All right, this is the key level. All right, we call it as a key level. All right, for me to be specific, I will call it as SSR. So if the price, look at the H4, what the structure is doing. All right, this is one of the structure. In smaller time frame, we got another trend line here, have a breakout, pull back, falls. All right, continue. But however, the price have slightly pushed back higher again at this level. Okay, so we can go into another smaller time frame, see what is happens here. What is happens here? So in M30, yes, as we can see right here, we got another zone. All right, this will be another zone. Maybe if we go into M15 and look at it. Yeah, in M15, the zone is here. All right, this will be the zone. As you can see, this will be the zone. All right, this will be the zone to break the structure here. right? So we know this will be the very important key supply zone, all right, based on M15, and still consider a fresh zone for this zone, consider quite a big one. So the price is doing what? Is taking out the inducement here, all right? This is all the liquidity here, taking out the liquidity and falls back to this supply zone, then continue again the trend that it wanted to do. It's a downtrend. All right, see, this will be another break of structure. We have a lower low. This is a new lower low. All right, so right here I found another zone again. This will be another new sell zone for us to entry. All right, so we wait for this zone. When the price falls back to this zone, this is where we will look for sell again. All right, for me this zone is quite considered a good zone because this is one of the SSR2. So when we look to the left, as we can see right here, we got a support. Right, we have quite more rejection here, many rejection here. So this is where we can look at, all right, somewhere around here. So we can monitor for this zone, see possible if the price have a reaction, then we continue sell again. All right, just follow the trend. So that's all for this week analysis. So we see you next week. Thank you and bye bye.